Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. President of the Realtors Association of Jamaica, Gabrielle Gilpin Hudson, says that Jamaica is currently facing a housing and storage shortage caused by Hurricane Melissa, which damaged or destroyed 116,000 homes. Property owners are encouraged to list their vacant homes, apartments, warehouses, and investment properties for both short and long-term rental and leases. The association told RJ News that its members stand ready to provide professional and efficient support to property owners in the preparation, listing, and renting of their properties, as well as to assist businesses and families in identifying suitable spaces for housing and the storage of goods. JN Bank and JN Money Services have announced relief on loans and remittance services to their customers as they rebuild homes, businesses, and their livelihoods. I quote, JN Bank mortgagors who have sustained damage to their property also for the next 90 days may also access a special home repair equity loan, said JN Bank Managing Director Lisa Cow. For example, ready advance loan applicants will benefit from waived income verification and credit report requirements for eligible borrowers. No valuation or surveyor reports are required. Cash-secured loans also have no processing fees. In another example, for its micro-loan customers, over the next 4 weeks, there will be no collateral loans and recovery lifeline loans of up to $1.5 million. No processing fees are included. In addition, special microgrants will be made available to some microbusinesses in affected communities. Sandals Resort International has disclosed that 5 of its resort properties in Jamaica, namely Sandals Duns River, Sandals Ocheria, Sandals Royal Plantation, Sandals Negril, and Beaches Negril, will open on December 6, 2025. On October 28, 2025, parts of Jamaica were decimated by Category 5 Hurricane Melissa with winds of 185 miles an hour, causing extensive damage to buildings and infrastructure. Sandals Resort International is also announcing that 3 of its Sandals properties in Jamaica will not reopen for guests until the end of May next year. They are Sandals Montego Bay, Sandals Royal Caribbean, and Sandals South Coast, which won't reopen for guests until May 30, 2026. Sandals joins Hyatt Inclusive Collection, which announced last week its suspension of operations at 8 resort properties in Montego Bay for 3 months. For the trading period ending November 5, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,743,932 units, representing 14.64% of market sales volume. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited with 1,589,761 units, representing 13.35% of market sales volume. Wigton Energy Limited with 1,265,026 units, representing 10.62% of local volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 5, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $60.16 million purchased and US $62.72 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.80 per dollar, selling the US at $160.10 and buying the US at $161.90. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.14 per transaction, with selling at $115.11 and buying at $113.97. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.90 in profits, with selling at $211.11 and buying at $206.21. For our credit report tip of the day, When your world collapses, the job's gone, bills are stacking, and faith feels thin, you don't wait. You move. You grab your credit report like a battle plan and go line by line. You circle the errors, call the creditors, set the payment dates, and document every win. You rebuild your name, your score, and your confidence with each bold move. This isn't about survival. It's about reclaiming your power, using your credit report as a roadmap to rise again, stronger, smarter, and unstoppable. In our funded and focused feature, as a woman facing crises, you've carried families, managed other crises, stretched every dollar, and kept home alive through harder storms than this. Now it's time to use that same fire to rebuild, not just emotionally, but financially. Becoming funded and focused isn't about perfection, it's about motion. You rebuild one call, one invoice, one brave decision at a time. You get funded by using your gifts. You stay focused by keeping your goals in sight, even when the ground still feels shaky. You are not waiting for rescue, you are rebuilding in real time. So take the next step, send the message, make the sale. The woman who takes action today is a woman who gets paid tomorrow. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.